Hi guys, we've been here before. This is the Revell Lion that I run with the yellow Beetle body shell on it. I fixed the motor a few episodes back, then I gave it a really good run and it was going absolutely fine. But the battery kept falling out of the battery container. So I printed myself a nice cover for the battery box to stop the battery falling out. Took it to the park today and it wouldn't work. It was the same problem I had before with the motor. It doesn't start up unless you turn it a little bit. So I expect what probably happened was I was having such fun last time when it was running, I probably overheated it again. So what I'm going to do today is see if we can swap it out for one of these other motors that I bought. We've got a couple of choices. We've got some slightly, well, we've got two. We've got that one and that one. That one's shorter than that one. I think we can see that. That one will fit just about, but I think the bigger one the bigger one might fit, because it's not a round one, it's going to rock around a bit, so we'll have to pad it out to stop it rocking around. But I think it's actually the same diameter. And the little notch lines up with the same position. So the only thing I'm not sure about is if it's the same size shaft. I think that might be bigger, which is going to be a problem if it is. So, same process as last time. Right, is that going to fit? I got the pinion gear on there eventually, took a lot of effort. That was a much tighter fit than the original motor. I've also had to file the end of the shaft down a little bit because the shaft is a bit too long and it might stick into some of the plastic here. Oh, I don't know if I got it pointing in the right direction. Yes, forwards. Only thing is, I think it might be a slower motor. Not that I do fast, but that other one was stupid fast when it was going. So, oh, I've got to put something in there to hold it in place as well, haven't I? Right, I'll get something to wedge it with. Very technical. I've padded it out with a couple of bits of plywood. If it gets hot enough, they might catch fire. That'll be fun. So, that's in place now. We seem to be back together. So I do this little lot back up again. If you haven't seen this before, this is the one that I'm using 2 ESCs because it's originally a toy grade one with no servo for the steering, so I'm using a ordinary DC ESC to control the steering motor. These are just those generic, I think they're 20 amp ESCs. Oh, I forgot to put them in. I'll do that. This time we'll actually test it before we go out. Yeah, I think it's a little bit slower than it was. That'll do for tonight. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.